When a null value enters the system by calling a third-party library, either we have to treat it safely by safe call operator, which will cause question marks dominating the code, or we can replace nulls with a default value using else operator and cut the chain of question marks all the way down. Let's say by the domain of our code we are 100% sure that calling getScreenDimension at first line won't return null. So we can assert an absolute non-null value with null asserted operator and get rid of nullable types in the way. Or we can assert not null and call properties and functions right away on a non-null value. But if we are wrong and value is null, we will get the good old null pointer exception. For more videos and to see all these in action in a real-world Kotlin application written from scratch, head to our YouTube channel.